I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by locating the power button on the right ear cup near the hinge. Press and hold the power button firmly until the status LED turns off. Listen for a single chime that confirms the device is powering down. Release the button immediately after the LED goes dark and the chime stops. If the LED remains lit, keep holding briefly until the chime and LED both stop. This method ensures the headphones fully power off before storage. Next, confirm the headphones are disconnected from any paired device. Open Bluetooth settings on your phone or computer and choose Disconnect for Beats Solo 3. Wait 5 seconds and check that the phone no longer shows the headphones as connected. Now look at the headphone's LED to ensure it remains off after disconnection. If the LED blinks or stays on, repeat the power button hold procedure until the LED goes dark. This prevents accidental reconnection and conserves battery. If the headphones won't power off, try holding the power button for up to 30 seconds. For persistent unresponsiveness, perform a reset by holding power and volume down together for 10 seconds. After a reset, release both buttons and attempt the normal shutdown again with a standard power hold. If the LED flashes or behavior is erratic, place the headphones on charge for 10 minutes and then repeat the power hold. These steps resolve most software or battery glitches, preventing proper shutdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.